To transfer eSIM from older device to Google Pixel 11, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter network and internet options, and then we can navigate into SIM card options. Click on this plus button and then wait a couple of moments until it checks your network information, and then we should be able to find transfer SIM from another device. If you do not see this option, that might be because it's still not supported by all of the regions. So sadly you won't be able to do it if your region is not supported. But if you see it, then you can click on it and start transferring SIM from your other device. Click on Pixel or Android device below and then scan this QR code with your original device with SIM card, with eSIM, sorry, and then follow instructions on screen. It will be fairly easy. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.